distinguished and committed loyalists of APC in Kwara State, ladies and gentlemen, I am delighted to welcome you to our State Secretariat and appreciate your support so far aimed at growing our dear state and strengthening our democracy. As you are aware, the journey to 2019 has already started and intrigues are already playing out. Political activities have equally taken off in our state. The following issues are considered to have direct connection with the development of the state and our great party, All Progressive Congress, APC. The basement of APC in Kwara State by Saraki followers. In the last few weeks, some individuals who are loyal to Senator Bukola Saraki have been moving from one local government area to the other, debasing our party in a manner akin to anti-party activities. One of Senator Saraki's followers and henchmen who was caught on tape when he said APC is dead and mouthing other unprintable words. The level of indiscipline in Saraki's camp has risen so high that leading lights in Saraki's camp have continually said they are no longer in APC, as they prefer to be as addressed. They are no longer members of the APC in Kwara State and are punching in the PDP for possible asylum. It is no longer a secret that Saraki followers in our dear state are best considered as internally displaced politicians that are really desirous of a place to come. The national leadership of APC seems not to understand the old trick that had been played over and over by this same man and his lackeys. The induced coup reception after the Supreme Court judgment. As noted earlier, nothing is new in the survival strategy on play by those who have brazenly trumped on party constitution and integrity in their desperate search for political survival. The story of how people were moved and lured into the rally speaks to the fact that poverty in all its forms are growing dearly in the state. We are aware of how people were mobilized with peanuts and in some cases, with unrealistic promises to attend the rally held last week. The sole objective of the money-induced rally was to tell the world, and particularly the APC leadership in Abuja, that he was still in charge of the state. There is nothing new in the move, though some individuals perhaps have been deceived. Can APC and presidency beg Saraki? While Senator Bukola Saraki has not told the world the exact thing that transpired between him and President Muhammadu Buhari during his last visit to the villa, except for the picture taken there, where Senator Saraki was cited stooping for the president, everything we read or hear needs more to become accurate. The dangerous politicking is inimical to Kwara development. Every well-meaning citizen in Kwara State today must be concerned about the development of the state and the status of political parties, because alternative to underperforming government or leadership can only come through the ballot using political party. As it is today, the two dominant political parties have been seized by Senator Saraki, leaving Kwarans with no viable alternative. The thinking of his strategies is to cripple other political parties that will field credible and popular candidates against the Saraki anointed ones that are responsible for present state of Tunisia. The Saraki occupation of all political parties will continue until the primaries, and by then our credible and accepted candidates will be in the polls. Is anything like carrot and stick? We saw it in the media that our party and presidency are using carrot and stick approach in their engagement with Senator Bukola Saraki, but his sidekicks are insisting on leaving APC. It will be important to refresh ourselves with the analysis of a foremost editor in the national newspaper of Sunday, 22nd July 2018. As for President Muhammadu Buhari, he had consistently secured more than 25% of total votes cast in Kwara State in 2003, 2007, and 2011. If Buhari or APC is contented with 25% to 30 or 40% of the votes from Kwara, it might not lose sleep with the defection of Saraki and his supporters. The APC will only improve on his performance in all the North Central states to checkmate Saraki's influence in the state. Those were the times he was outside government. What about now that President Buhari has engaged more than 6,000 youths through Empower, constructed and rehabilitated 6 strategic federal roads and influential positions of the influence positions at the national level? Mokwa-Jaba Road was one of the reasons adduced by those in Kwara North Senatorial District for their continued and unalloyed support to President Buhari. On the side of automatic tickets for the serving senators, representatives, and others as requested by the other ambitious politicians, this is an attempt to annihilate credible candidates and stifle participatory democracy. President Muhammadu Buhari and our national chairman are products of effective and functional democracy, should not be part of this undemocratic and devilish move. Latest image laundering. We know and have seen serious and concerted efforts aimed at promoting Senator Saraki after his acquittal by the Supreme Court. It is clear that he is bitter that CCT trial seriously humiliated and embarrassed him. Therefore, the latest moves, such as public engagements, long radio talks, and conferment of chieftaincy titles, among others, are some of the image laundering packages put together by his strategists. The way forward. It will record more electoral successes for our party should the national leadership allow the baby to hang himself. The political situation in Kwara State today is different from what it used to be. Abuja politics, not consciously played with due consideration for the local politics, can affect our party negatively. That was the undoing of a political party in 2015. In conclusion, our members are urged not to be bothered by the sponsored and concocted falsehood going round. We are coasting to victory, and the battle to provide an acceptable and incorruptible platform for Kwarans to contest will be over soon. Thank you.
They are saying that they don't know the group to follow in APC, that we have 3 different groups: your group, the Balasa Appealed Group, and one other group. So they are inviting the national leadership of APC.
Thank you. Let me answer your question from something I read in the social media just as at yesterday, alleged to have been said by Elijah Kaobaraji. He said, with or without Bukola, they are out of APC. I hope some other people must have read it.
Yes, true.
So, what else is it? We are not saying anything different here. If they go, we are sure of the masses. And I want to tell you one thing. In Kwara State, as of today, we have only two political parties, pro and anti. The pro are those who are supporting APC and the emergence of President Muhammadu Buhari for the second term. The other group, the anti, they don't want anything like that. And we believe that with that position, surely with or without Bukola, we are going to win our election. It has no meaning to us in Kwara. It has no meaning. You see, when you are negotiating, you negotiate with the masses of Kwara, the electorate, not an individual who must have overspent his electoral value.